How to delete your Pinterest boards. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Pinterest boards. So first of all, just simply open your Pinterest account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Pinterest account, just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there at the top of the screen you will be able to see the option called pins and boards. So simply click on boards, and after that you will be able to see the two boards that I have created in my Pinterest account. So for example, I want to delete the first one. So all you have to do is just simply click on it and click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner again, and over here just simply click on edit board and header image. And over here, when you will scroll down bottom of the page, you will be able to see the option called delete. So when you delete your Pinterest board, you have 7 days to restore a deleted board. After that it will be deleted permanently. So if you are not sure whether you want to delete your Pinterest board permanently or not, you have 7 days to decide that. So just simply tap on it and click on delete. And this is basically how you will be able to delete your Pinterest board. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.